In this video, we will learn how to create categories using the Excel. Out here, enter the category ID, a name here. This for all practical purposes will remain as is. It's optional to enter description here or a long description. Lastly, out here, enter the parent category where the category that you're creating will appear. You can refer to the sample data that's out here. So in this case, look at, we have a category ID. It can be anything. It can be a numeric, alphanumeric number, a name of the category, content, description, brief description, long description. And this is the category where the current category that you're creating will appear. Like this 9000 category will appear under the website group, which is the topmost category of the website.